Hello guys! In this video, I will show how to do intervals on Strava. Let's say we want to start running. Strava doesn't provide a direct option to record intervals, but you can work around this by combining some of the features available. One approach is to create your own route so that you can repeat it multiple times. You can do this by selecting the option next to the sports icon and setting up a custom route. Once your training begins, Strava will automatically average your time. If you want to run intervals, you can pause the workout between efforts. For example, after completing your first interval, you could pause the recording, take a screenshot to note your time, and then resume when you're ready for the next effort. This way, Strava will only record the segments you choose. When you've finished, simply click Finish to save your activity. While Strava doesn't yet have a built-in feature to track intervals directly, this method allows you to manage your workouts manually. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.